Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to one more stock performance review. So this review I'm recording a bit late, but few of the stocks which I have recommended, which I have suggested as part of my analysis in the last week, are still in the continuous uptrend. Hence, even though I feel that this is the mid of the, already it has been 1 week ever since I gave those stocks, I still feel that those stocks are still very much active for the bullish trend. So let's take a look at the list of stocks which we have shared with the viewers of this channel. These 6 stocks are REC Ltd, Coffee Day, Avenue Supermarkets or DMart, Wipro, Ramco Cement and UPL. Now let's see the technical performance of how these stocks have performed. Okay, so as you can see, REC Ltd, as we have expected, so this is the Monday. So we shared this analysis on I believe I shared this analysis on 17th December. Yeah, 17th of December. And if we see the performance on 18th of December, there's a bit of selling, but as we expected, once it has broken the 15th February high, it started moving up. So from 123, it gave a good up move of 134, which is almost a 10% move in a 130 odd rupee stock. And similarly to Coffee Day did not move much. As you can see, 15th and 18th, it was just choppy, and then it started going down. I expected after seeing this candle on 25th February it would move up, but unfortunately it opened gap down because of this surgical strike news which was out in the media, and it too did some kind of consolidation. So we can, even though if you have entered any of these breakouts, it would have resulted in a loss of even 1%. And now let's take a look at this interesting stock, which is nothing but Avenue Supermarkets. So as we discussed on Sunday, this line of 1450, 1436 is acting as support. So as you can see, it is hitting 1436 and it is bouncing back. And the upper side resistance that's facing is around 580. So if you had bought around 1436, you had good potential to book till 1518 or somewhere near 1518. But once, my recommendation was to wait it till the break of this 1518. So once if we can pass through this 1518 level, we have a reasonable amount of opportunity till 1680 in DMart. So this is one stock which you can still keep on the radar. Okay, and one stock which gave very good movement is Wipro. So as you can see that we had this big level breakthrough from previous week, and it gave a decent move of 10 rupees in a 300 rupee stock, so which is a very good move. And Wipro is starting to hit 52 week high as well. And Ramco Cement did not move much, even though it was an uptrend. It only gave some amount of movement and then it was consolidating. But we did not have that parabolic kind of a move in Ramco Cements. And then coming to UPL was not moving very much in the last week, but in this week, once it has created those bulls, but it was continuously giving this bullish pin bars, which was indicating that sellers were not compromising for the lower price. But on this Monday and Tuesday, it has moved really well. As you can see, this is a big candle followed by another big candle. So these are the kind of movements we look for in trading, whether we do intraday or positional. So this is how these stocks have performed. I would also like to show you my crude trades which I have taken today, which is on 26th of February, and I was able to capture 10 points. So in crude, what I look for is, I look for 10 point loss and 10 point profit. And if I encounter any loss, since I know that on at least on 60 to 70% of the cases, I am successful in making 10 points. I use some strategy called as martingale, but it is not recommended for beginners as it is very risky strategy. So please refrain from using martingale unless and until you have some decent amount of experience in crude. So okay, so I saw crude today at around this time, around 5:10 I saw crude. It gave a big breakthrough from these two moving averages, and it was consolidating on this particular line. So as I saw this consolidating exactly happening on this moving average, I took a look at both the money flow indicator plus the MACD indicator. They were showing this upward trend. If you can see this in 3 minutes, it will be more. You'll have more clarity of this particular trade. Let's go to 17:10. Yeah, this is the time. As you can see here, MACD has already given a buy signal, but and we had this consolidation exactly on the moving average. That means both the moving averages are acting as strength here, and this money flow indicator also started moving up. As you can see here, it started moving up. So you need to notice all these small elements, and it started moving up. So I bought around 3955. Yeah, I bought around 3955, and when I switched to the 5-minute chart, 3945 was the SL for this. 3945, yeah, around 46. Below this line, I was keeping my SL 39445, and I was looking for 5 points, which is around 3965. So luckily, it consolidated and immediately it gave this huge upward move up till 3977. But I came out at 3965, since this consolidation pattern was very evident, and there's 2 MA supporting with an exact 10-point stop loss. So my risk was exactly the same what I wanted to risk for this trade. So I came out with 10 points. Since I traded with 8 mega lots, I was able to make a profit of 8,000. So my recommendation is don't go after the MTM figures. So please learn how we look at things in crude. And as you can see, crude gave multiple opportunities for long trades, especially. This is something which you can avoid because 2 MAs were crossing the moving average. But this was a good trade over here around 21, where it broke through, and then you had some kind of consolidation, and then again it broke through. So here we had an opportunity for 10 points with 10 points average, and now you can see it is still going up. So now also we can buy with an SL somewhere around 10 points, but the risk is really high right now because for 3982 long we need to risk at least 3865. So this is how we have been trading crude. But see, you follow any moving averages or any market profile methodologies. So I do not alone depend upon the moving averages and these 2 indicators. I also use the market profile from TradingView, so that my entries will have some degree of accuracy. So this is it from this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please do leave them in the comments box. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.